During the second wave of lockdown, I was itching to spend a day driving on some nice mountain roads. And since it seemed that things were about to open up, my friend and I decided to go as soon as possible. After 2 weeks, we got our chance. Our end goal was Vršič Pass, one of the highest roads in the Julian Alps. This bad boy boasts 50 hairpins in total, and with a maximum altitude of 1611 meters, the view from up there should really be breathtaking. But of course, we didn't just want to get there, go up and down, and then return home. So we made this a whole day thing and took the long and scenic way to get there. This was our journey. After a couple of kilometers on the motorway, we turned off and got to more remote, rural areas where some nice, twisty roads with fresh asphalt began. Then we caught up to a cyclist on a downhill section of the road, and that boy was straight up zooming. I mean, he wasn't going fast enough for our liking, but he was going fast enough so we couldn't overtake him. Look at all these blind corners, shit's dangerous as fuck. I straight up wasn't gonna risk it. We were able to get past eventually. A little later, we made it to Socha Valley, fittingly named after the river Socha, which springs deep in the Alps and has that beautiful aquamarine color. It's also cold as fuck, by the way. We drove through a little town which is famous for the bridge, where every year they host high diving competitions.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding, nothing happened. As we drove further, the hills around us turned into mountains, so we decided to stop for a while to take in the view. During this time, my friend refueled the F32 and we pressed on. When we were driving on this awesome road with the river on the right and almost no traffic, we thought to ourselves that we really hit the jackpot by going on a road trip that day. We were also getting pretty close to the pass. This was another little stop where we took in the view and also took a minute to admire this marvelous machine. Oh, and the BMW too. We were almost at the pass, so we stopped just before and mounted a couple of cameras to demonstrate how this little diesel boy tackles the pass.
Thank you, kind sir. I'm a race car.
And so, we made it to the top. We met back up on a little dirt parking area a little down the mountain. Then we stepped out the cars and were greeted by this. had our lunch up there, and after we absolutely annihilated those sandwiches, it was time to go back down on the other side of the pass. Even though we both have decent brakes, we didn't want to go down full send. Plus, I don't know what genius decided to color the corners, because it's a much less grippy surface than asphalt. Also, the road was way bumpier here than on the other side, so my friend had to take it easy, as he doesn't have much ground clearance in the front. I, on the other hand, don't have that problem. And just before we ended the trip, we stopped at this beautiful lake. That was pretty much it. The only thing left was just to hit the highway and head home. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!